Hello, and here are the key features of the metal roof PV mounting system developed by Landpower solar technology. The product is specially designed for pitched metal roof installations. Versatile design compatible with all common types of metal roofs, including corrugated, trapezoidal, standing seam, metal tiles and others, and suitable both for portrait and landscape orientations, make these a top choice for metal roof projects. Durable and corrosion-resistant materials, grade 304 stainless steel and AL6005 aluminium alloy in T5 temper, ensure structural strength, operational safety and long service life, estimated by us as 25 years. System components are pre-assembled, allowing for easy and quick installation, and save your labour costs and time. By customer's request, we can customise the system, making it a perfect fit to your specific requirements. In our arsenal, we have a range of various, well thought out and handy solutions for metal roofs of various types. For trapezoidal roofs, our L-feet and hanger bolts based solutions with 3 flange nuts and 1 highly UV resistant and weatherproof EPDM rubber washer allow for maximum flexibility and possibility to avoid ridge dimension limitations. Systems based on mini rails and U-shaped rails with fewer parts, including the necessary minimum of mini rails, mid clamps and end clamp, are a cost-effective solution primarily designed to be mounted on trapezoidal and corrugated metal roofs. Non-penetrating systems for standing seam roofs are quite easy and safer to install, since there is no need to drill the roof sheets, risking the roof integrity with possible future leaking issues. All you need is to just clamp and lock the roof ridge with our specially designed standing seam clamps. A lot of various clamps are available for different shapes of seams. Tiled roof mounting is engineered for the maximum flexibility. We have lots of roof hooks suitable for all kinds of tiles, including pan tiles, slate, shingle, Roman tiles and others. Safety is always our concern. With this in mind, we designed these according to the guidelines of various industry certifications, including SGS, GAMCorp and Australian AS/NZ 1170, ensuring stability and reliability of our systems. Long-lasting even in the harshest weather conditions, the product can withstand the winds of up to 216 km per hour and snow loads of up to 1.4 kilonewtons per square metre. To guarantee the safety of your investment, we offer 12 years product warranty for these. Landpower Solar is an innovative company with experience of more than 12 years, dedicated to the development and production of solar mounting systems and their components. High quality, versatility and efficiency of our product make them popular with customers from various countries around the world. Examples of our projects include trapezoidal roof mounting for 1.5 megawatt system in Bosnia and Herzegovina, a trapezoidal roof mounting for a 1.2 megawatt system in the Philippines, a corrugated metal roof 1 megawatt system also in the Philippines, an aluminium ground mounting 2 megawatt system in the Netherlands, and many others. Our pitched roof solar mounting solutions are installed in more than 30 countries.